So welcome, this is TSB One, Trifork Smart Building One. We put in a lot of effort to ensure that this house is digital from birth. So we've settled on a standard for smart building called KNX, which is actually an old established standard. And the good thing with that is that there's a lot of different suppliers of equipment that you can benchmark between each other. So we can exchange stuff here if we think that one new kind of sensor or another kind of ventilation might make sense. We can actually exchange some of the controllers, some of the sensors. We have settled on a wired standard, but we are actually able to integrate other kinds of wireless sensors and infrastructure with our own building management system. What we've decided is to only have suppliers and collaborators that accepts that we want to have access to all the data that the sensors produces. In our mind, collecting all the available data, even though we don't have an actual use for it right now, you never know when you can inspect the data and get some valuable insights out of it. So having the opportunity to design and decide the protocols and the intelligence in the house from the outset is a huge game changer for us. So for the next step for us is actually to see how can we renovate existing buildings, how can we upgrade their digital infrastructure. But for the Trifork Smart Building One, what we're doing, they are born with a digital infrastructure that is open and easy to listen to and to control, while it is still safe and secure. So KNX is an open standard. I think it's from the mid-90s actually, and it's well known. So every major supplier within building technologies has KNX modules and KNX compatibility. That's one thing. We've tested out KNX in some of our offices abroad and have had really good results in integrating IP technologies and having our own rule engines controlling the KNX equipment. So for us, what KNX ensures is that we are not tied in with a special supplier, but can actually add new stuff as we want. I mean, using an open standard like KNX ensures that we can communicate between different subsystems in the building. So knowing about the ventilation, knowing about the energy, the heating and stuff, and having these different systems being able to communicate actually enables a huge energy optimization. So this is one of the big potentials in having an open integrated system. We are approaching this smart building effort as a software issue, and we expect that we will upgrade our buildings with new firmware, with new algorithms. Right now we're looking into predictive maintenance technologies. We're using AI and machine learning to be able to ensure that we have enough self-sufficiency of our energy production. And new algorithms can be made available that we want to integrate in the building's firmware. We are emphasizing that a building should be able to run with no cloud access. And also, as anybody who's experimented with over-the-air updating of hardware, it can be a tricky business to ensure, but it is actually in principle possible. So yeah, we can upgrade it. We might do it over the air, I'm not sure, but we might, let's see.